Today I'm going to be doing a projects update video. I have a lot of projects going on right now. I think there's 4 of them. I thought I would just let you know where the projects are at. First one I'll go over is the UTV build here. I was just trying to get a quick start on this thing in order to test my driveline and make sure that it was good, but I've ran into a lot of battery issues. I just have not been able to get a battery to charge or to hold its charge, and I don't have time to get a new one and charge it, nor do I really want to put that in just yet because I'm not sure. I'd like to upgrade the battery, I think. So that's another problem though for another video. Everything else still was going really good on it. I was trying to do a video on the UTV build this week, but I ran out of welding wire and was not able to get it anywhere in town. So that kind of fell through, and then the first start kind of fell through. So this is the project update video. The next step in this project is going to be finalizing the welds and getting a first start on this engine to make sure that this whole driveline section is going to function for what I want to do. The next project here is this lathe build. A little over a week ago now, Bryson finished the chuck up for this. It's not a super precise lathe just because the nature of how it was built and what it was built from, but it's still going to be a functional tool to use for projects. The final episode of the lathe build will be coming out within the next couple months. Onto the well. The well is still coming along pretty good. I'm working with Bryson to try and figure out a better way to get the tillings up. I don't believe that trash pump that I have, it's a Harbor Freight trash pump, I don't think it can get flow going quick enough in order to actually pull tillings out of the well. Bryson has tried a lot of percussion drilling, and he's able to pull stuff out of wells really easy. It's just he has a hard time breaking it up. So we're hoping to go with a method of both this well drilling rig to break up the material, and then somewhere along the lines of our percussion drill and the way that pulls material out, we're thinking of going with that to kind of get the rest out. There's a lot of things to think about, such as cave-ins, so that's kind of where we're at now, but that is very subject to change. We're in the very beginning process of trying to figure out a better way to get tillings out. This is the project that's kind of set me back on all the other projects, but at the same time is probably one of my favorites right now. I'm rebuilding this Dodge transmission. Just kind of going through the process of my first transmission rebuild, and I'll tell you what, it's going really good. I have high hopes for the function of this thing when it's all said and done. The video of the teardown of this transmission will be coming out next week, so be sure to subscribe if you want to see that. I found some really great tutorials on doing this transmission build from a channel called Transmission Bench. He does some amazing tutorials on the rebuild of this transmission along with a lot of others. As of right now, that's all the projects I have going. I'm hoping to get both this project and the lathe project wrapped up here within the next couple months, and then the UTV build and well will be a little bit longer, but those will need to get wrapped up as well. If you want to see any of those projects, be sure to subscribe. All the previous videos on the lathe build, UTV build, and well are on my channel, so go check those things out. They're really cool, really fun builds. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching.